¿Necesitas dinero ya? ¿Quieres trabajar desde tu casa en un negocio serio y que sí te paga? Imagínate poder ganar dinero desde casa, empezando hoy mismo a trabajar y a ganar. Deja de vivir de lo que ganas de cheque en cheque y crea varios canales de ingresos. Y quédate con el 100% de las ganancias. No necesitas ser un experto en internet. Con nuestro simple sistema Plug and Play te ahorramos años de aprendizaje. Aprovecha esta gran oportunidad, un programa que te ayuda a crear un negocio exitoso en cuestión de días. A través de nuestro sistema descubrirás los secretos de la mercadotecnia en internet y ganarás mientras aprendes a cómo involucrar tus pasiones en tus ingresos. ¿Todavía estás dudando? Déjame presentarte unas personas exitosas.
And I believe that it's possible. I believe it's possible to use a business like Empower Network to completely and totally change your life. So what I want to encourage you to do tonight is to make a decision. Is that if you're feeling that thing in your spirit, if in your spirit you can actually feel that if you do this, it could work. You don't know how, you don't know why, it's something completely different, but if you were to make a decision and get started for 25 bucks, then this thing just might break you free.
Paso 1. Hacerte una cuenta por solo $25.
Thanks to the Empower Network, I now have a platform where I can leverage my time significantly like I've never been able to leverage my time before. And that's because now, rather than having to train people one-on-one individually on how to do certain internet marketing strategies, how to learn how to optimize their blog posts, or how to place a solo ad, or any of the internet marketing strategies that I've always taught people, now I have a place where I can send people to get the information.
Paso 2. Apoyarte en las herramientas y comenzar a escribir.
So this is for anyone out there that's having doubts. Empower Network is real. I'm going to do some real checks. You can see I scratched out my address there just for some security purposes. You can see down below it says paid on behalf of Empower Network.
Paso 3. Distribuir tu blog y ganar.
How to be able to leverage, making $1,000 a day blogging. These are just some of the concepts that are being realized by not only ourselves, but literally hundreds and thousands of people all across the country and throughout the world. So Empower Network is empowering us and empowering people all over the world with great training, great tools, and great resources to be able to be successful online marketers, to be able to make money online, and create lifestyle freedom. The second thing it's doing that we're so excited about from an affiliate marketing standpoint, because again, it's not multi-level marketing, but a great affiliate offer, is that it has 100% commissions.
Con solo $25 tendrás acceso a todas las herramientas necesarias para que puedas empezar tu propio negocio en línea. Así que, ¿qué esperas para unirte? Perseguir tus pasiones, vivir tu vida y cumplir tus sueños ahora está a tu alcance. Abre tu cuenta ya.